Shop light big. Usually they used to be like the luminescent style. Now it's these nice LEDs. This is a very nicely packaged light system that they sell. Comes with all the hanging wires and hardware. We're just going to be tapping it straight into the ceiling. But as you guys can see, this is kind of our new laundry room that we built. And we have this nice light fixture right here. But when JC-LGL reached out and they wanted to send me a light, I created another section here with my father-in-law, and we got it kind of situated. So we're going to be installing this panel light that they sent me over here, and pretty much very simple concept of installing this. So this light fixture comes with the wires to hang them. We're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and run some screws through to mount it to the ceiling. And then right here, these are our wiring. So we have green, which is always ground, black, which is hot, and then neutral, which is white. And then in the ceiling as well, we weren't paying attention and we kind of painted it. We painted it, but in this instance, I won't be touching it right now. I will get electrocuted, but we have our ground right there, which is just a flat copper wire. And then we have our white and black, which I know they all seem the same color. I found out which was which, but I cannot touch this right now because they are connected to that. So we have that set up, and now we're going to be installing this. Obviously, for this install, you are going to need to use the little butt connectors that we brought from home, which look like this. So you're going to want to take this, put this end of the wire in it, with the other end of the wire coming out of the ceiling. When the power is off, do not electrocute yourself. And you're going to go ahead and butt them up. Now for me, I'm going to go ahead first mount this fixture. I'm going to butt them up and then mount the fixture to the ceiling, and then we're going to go ahead and show you guys the final product. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, so we wired it up. This is how it looks up mocked up. I believe this is for if you want to put like a sensor or a dimmer. But yeah, goes right up. I just nailed it into the ceiling, and then as well I removed this face which had the wire going through it, so it just makes it a cleaner look. You can tuck the wires inside, but now we gotta test and see how it is. So this room is pitch black. Now we're gonna see. Oh jeez. So this is the comparison. This is that light. This is the light they told you not to worry about. I cannot express how bright this light is. Like, look at me here. Now look at me under here. This is so, oh my God. It's so bright looking into it. But at least it's nice. Whatever you want to get in this corner, you can do this. Definitely if you have a shop, this is the light to go with. This thing is insanely bright. So yeah, you guys are in your high bay light. This is definitely a bay light. It is so bright, it is ridiculous. Might have to put a dimmer on it. This thing is too bright. But very good overall. So my expectation wasn't this. This is way brighter than I had thought. Like, the camera can only do so much justice, but like literally this is so bright. Quality was good.